So this is how you can fix the PayPal error that says it can't connect or link to your bank. So as you can see, I have PayPal right here, and I can't actually show you the problem because it hasn't occurred to me yet, but I'm going to teach you how to fix it. So if you're getting this message that says they can't connect or link to your bank, you can actually go on ahead and search for PayPal help and then tap on the help center link that shows at the very first part of the search bar. Now you're going to want to scroll all the way down and then look for Contact Us. This is where you can contact customer service and then you can go on ahead and chat and then figure out how to fix this. You could either tap on Message Us or call us, but I'm going to do Message Us for now. Make sure you log in and then after you do, you can go on ahead and message whatever the problem is. So for example, just say something like, I can't log in or link to my bank account, so please help me. They will reach out to you within days and they will try to help with your problem. If you can't think of what others to say, you could always try saying, please help me, I can't link to my bank account, so now I can't do purchases or transactions. Messages like that can really help speed up the process because they do care about their customers and the procedures that their customers do. But yeah, that is all you can really do for now, unless it's some kind of problem like PayPal is down for right now, or for example, their servers are down. This is all you can do right now. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.